Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can export a data frame to an Excel file in our notebook. So here I got a data frame. What I'm going to do is just say df dot to underscore Excel. Now this need an argument as the file name you want to save. We can say something like output dot xlsx, so that's the extension. Now what we can do, if we need indexes that automatically added as false, we can set it as false here, otherwise it will have another column for indexes, a new one. Okay, now I'm going to press enter. What happened here, that because we need some module to be added, this one open by Excel, because Pandas use that automatically when we try to write an Excel. Before that, pip install open py Excel. Okay, now it is installed in the engine. Okay, the writer engine has installed. Then what we can do, use to Excel. Okay, now we can see output.xlsx created.